Alright guys, today we are making exploding gummy bears. We have to wear our safety goggles, which are our visor goggles supplied by Flynn Scientific. Scott here is my helper. He will be assisting me in this adventure of metabolism of sugar. We have potassium chlorate, which is brought to us by Sigma Aldrich. After 9 to 5, Monday through Thursday.
Got the gummy bears here, not for human consumption.
We eat them. We will take and we will put, in our setup we have here, we have a test tube and a finger clamp on a ring stand and a Bunsen burner near. We will add approximately 5 plus some odd grams of potassium chlorate to the test tube. It is in a crystalline form from Sigma Aldrich. Open 9 to 5 Monday through Thursday for tours. That should be about good. And the goal now is to melt the potassium chlorate in a decomp reaction that results in potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Being the first time we have attempted this stunt, I am unsure the time requirement necessary to melt, or the temperature required to melt potassium chlorate. But that will be figured out shortly. Well, maybe not shortly. The melting is slow. I should have got a blowtorch. I want to plug MSU's chemistry department as well and say thank you for the lab space, the hood space, the equipment.
Especially Dr. Nikolai Gerasimchuk, one of the best professors in the university and my future boss. So,
You want me to do the honors? Do you go for it? Go for it. We'll have to, and just I would say move your hand as that falls down. Yeah, they always say to kind of poke it. It's a little rough getting down there all the way.
You gotta kind of tap the tube, I believe.
They've got them in there horizontally. And they kind of just give the tube a little tap. Oh shit. The heat should be removed at this point, or oh! The hood is on. Would more heat encourage this? Oh, maybe that's probably not necessary. The test tube is on the 3-ring stand. It's melted. Shit. Note to self, do not use rubber-coated finger clamps, and new ones by that fact too. Add about 5 grams of potassium chlorate to the test tube. And we will heat this until the potassium chlorate begins to melt. We'll slowly warm the test tube up so we do not cause cracks and break our test tube. Potassium chlorate will decomp by heat and produce oxygen gas and potassium chloride. The potassium chloride has decided to finally melt after about 4 minutes of waiting. Once it is fully melted, the oxygen will be highly concentrated right over the liquid. And it will be time to insert the fuel, our gummy bear.
Wait. Okay.
Oh shit. F. Oh my god, there's a hood on. That's like...
Yeah, hood's on.
Fuck. Whoa. What?
It's spraying shit.
Oh, the hood. Oh my god. Much better, John. Much better with the increased... Okay. Gas off, sir.
Standing by with sash.
God damn it. Is that better for you, Mike? There? Longer?
Much better. I think we should turn it on and see that. Yeah, there it is. This is the hood.
That's why you do it under a hood.
I can still see an arm.